Hi everyone, this is Prakash Kodara and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the most frequent questions I have got asked by many people. How can I learn English faster and how can I speak English fluently in a short period of time? And asking these questions is pretty obvious because at first everybody is extremely motivated and we feel that it's an exciting and rewarding journey. So we just try to do our level best, but gradually our confidence goes away and we start feeling that it's going to be extremely challenging, and we do feel that. So we definitely ask these questions, that how we are supposed to learn English faster and how can I complete this challenge or this journey as quickly as possible. So in this video I am going to mention 8 ways through which you can improve your language skills and speak English fluently in a short period of time. So the first thing you are supposed to do or have a clear vision or clear goals. I am emphasizing too much because if you have clear goal or clear vision, then it will help you to look at this particular language in a whole different ways. And apart from that, if you have a clear goal, then it will always help you to stay focused and don't get confused and don't get distracted by the enormous things. Apart from that, having goals will allow us to create a roadmap that how we are supposed to learn this language and how we are going to complete this task as quickly as possible. To set target or have a specific goals which will always motivated you to accomplish your task and get your task done and any cost. Actually, me of my classmate comes up to and they always complain one thing, that at first they felt extremely motivated, they know that they have to learn this language, but within a few days their motivation falls away. And when I ask them that, okay, do you have any specific goals, that why you want to learn this language or why you want to like to speak English, or you are just learning this language for the sake of learning this language, and if you want to motivate within for a long time, then you need to have specific goals which will always motivated you to accomplish your task and just to get your thing done which you have complained for yourself. So if you have dedicated that you want to speak English faster, then you must have a goal, because it will always motivate you, will help you to stay consistent and just to learn this language. So the next thing I would like to recommend it you, so make a deadline. I really want to make a deadline, because if you are someone who does not have a deadline and if you have not set time,